Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Friends, in this video, we are going to see what is meant by exterior angle and property of the exterior angle. See, exterior angle is the simplest thing. If any one side of a triangle is extended, the angle created is called as exterior angle. Let us see what is meant by this. If a triangle is given, ABC is a triangle, right? Any one side is extended. Suppose this side BC is extended, okay, up to, right? This side BC is extended. Then angle created, this angle is created, ACD is called as exterior angle. Done. It can be true with any side. Suppose a triangle is like this, PQR is a triangle, right? And side P is extended up to S, right? So here one angle is created. This angle is called as exterior angle. Suppose obtuse triangle is there. Doesn't matter which type of triangle it is. If a side is extended, suppose this side is extended, then this angle is created. This angle is called as exterior angle. Suppose original triangle is XYZ, side YZ is extended. Okay, clear? So such angles are called as exterior angles. Now we are going to see one very interesting property of exterior angles. This property again we are going to see based on two rules. First rule, addition of all the angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. Clear? Second rule, angles in the linear pairs are supplementary. Let us see how to use. Suppose in triangle ABC, angle A is equals to 70 degree, angle B is equals to 50 degree. Okay? Angle A is equals to 70 degree, angle B is equals to 50 degree. If these two angles are given, we can find out measurement of these two angles. Let us see how. Addition of all the three angles is equals to 180 degree. So what will be the third angle? 70 plus 50, 120, and all three angles are 180. So third angle will be equals to 180 minus 120, which is equals to 60 degree. Clear? We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree, right? A is equals to 70, B is equals to 50. So 70 plus 50 plus angle C is equals to 180 degree, right friends? Therefore angle C is equals to 180 minus 120. This 70 plus 50, 120. So angle C is equals to 60 degree. Clear up to this? Now friends, here this angle ACB can be named as C. ACD also can be named as C. So if you will name it with single letter, it will be confusing. So let us use full name. Angle ACB and angle ACD, are they forming one straight line? BD? Yes, it is. So they are angles in linear pair. Therefore angle ACB plus angle ACD is equals to 180 degree and angle ACB is equals to 60 degree. We found C is nothing but ACB. So 60 plus angle ACD is equals to 180 degree. Therefore angle ACD is equals to 180 minus 60. Therefore angle ACD is equals to 120 degree. Clear friends? Similarly, we can find out measurement in such angles also. Suppose this angle is 45 degree and this angle is 45 degree. Angle Q is 45, angle R is 45. So addition of these two angles will be equals to 45 plus 45, 90 degree. But addition of all three angles is 180. So if these two angles are 90, third angle will be 180 minus 90. So this angle will be equals to 90 degree. Clear? Similarly, these two angles, angle RPQ and angle RQS. They are forming one straight line SQ. Hence they are supplementary, means addition of this angle and this angle is equals to 180 degree. So if this angle is 90 degree, this angle will be 180 minus 90, which is equals to 90 degree. Suppose angle Z is 25 degree, angle X is 30 degree. Then what will be the measurement of angle Y? Friends, angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. Right? Replace the values in the equation. X 30 plus angle Y plus angle Z 25 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle Y is equal to 180. Addition of these two, 30 plus 25 is 55 minus 55. So angle Y is equals to 180 minus 55. 55 plus 560 plus 20, 125 degree. So if this angle Y is equals to 125 degree, if this angle Y is equals to 125 degree, what will be the measurement of angle WYX? See, WYX and ZYX, these two are angles in linear pair, so they are supplementary. Their addition is 180. So this angle will be equals to 180 minus 125. See, angle WYX plus angle ZYX is equal to 180 degree, and angle WYX we don't know. Angle WYX plus 125 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle WYX is equal to 180 minus 125, and angle WYX is equals to 55 degree. Got it? We found measurements of remote exterior angles. Now students, just have a look at the given angles, remote exterior angles, and try to understand, is there any pattern between this remote exterior angle and angles of triangle which are not adjacent to this. See, these two angles are not adjacent to exterior angle. So try to understand, is there any pattern between this remote exterior angle and these remote interior angles, angle A and angle B. Is there any pattern between measurement of angle ACD and measurement of angle A and B? Is there any pattern between a measurement of angle RPS and measurement of angle R and Q? Is there any pattern between measurement of angle WYX, which is 55, and measurement of angle W and Z? If you will observe it carefully, you will come to one conclusion. 70 plus 50, 120. This is equals to 120. 45 plus 45, 90. Exterior angle equals to 90 degree. 30 plus 25, 55. Exterior angle is equals to 55 degree. See. So the pattern or the rule is measurement of remote exterior angle is equals to addition of interior angles of the triangle. Once again I am repeating, measurement of remote exterior angle is equals to addition of interior angles of the triangle which are not adjacent to that exterior angle. Okay friends, based on this we are going to solve examples from practice set 21.